Hey everyone, my name's Olivia and I'm here with BMW Northwest, and today we're going to be doing a tech tip video on automatic windshield wipers. To activate the automatic windshield wipers, do a gentle tap up. The green light then illuminates, indicating that the automatic windshield wipers are on. If needed, you can increase or decrease the sensitivity of the wiper blades, pressing up towards fast, down towards slow. When you're ready to turn off the automatic windshield wipers, a gentle tap down. The green light then disappears, indicating that the automatic windshield wipers have been turned off. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you next time.